On a dark and quiet night, John, a passionate astronomer, sat in his private observatory surrounded by telescopes and star maps. Are we alone in this vast universe? This question had haunted him for years. John decided to embark on a journey to explore real creatures that may exist in places we have not yet discovered, hinting at the possibility of life beyond Earth. John's adventure began in Iceland, a land forged by fire and ice. In the geothermal fields, he discovered extremophiles thriving in 90°C hot springs. Could these organisms be evidence of life on distant planets where conditions are even more extreme? John wondered. John decided to dive deep into the ocean, an alien world full of darkness and pressure. As he descended, he encountered bioluminescent creatures like jellyfish pulsing with ethereal light. These creatures demonstrate the ability of life to thrive in extreme environments, John told the camera. John traveled to a lab where scientists grew algae under space-like conditions. These algae were not just surviving, but adapting to harsh radiation, near-zero temperatures, and a vacuum. If these algae can survive here, what prevents similar life forms from existing on planets like Mars or Europa? John pondered. John traveled to the Great Barrier Reef in Australia, seeking a creature that embodied adaptability, the octopus. Donning his diving gear, he encountered an octopus capable of changing its color and shape with astonishing speed. It blended seamlessly with its surroundings, mimicking the texture and pattern of the coral. Imagine if aliens had such abilities, John exclaimed, inspired by this amazing creature. John ventured into the midnight zone of the ocean, encountering transparent creatures like spun glass. Some pulsed with bioluminescent light, their bodies like living constellations. If they can exist in these conditions, what other possibilities might we find in space? John wondered. John set off to the International Space Station, where scientists discovered bacteria clinging to the station's exterior. Exposed to the vacuum of space and cosmic radiation, these microorganisms persisted. We have discovered tiny organisms that can survive in space. These creatures may mean that life exists in places beyond our imagination, John shared. John's quest led him to focus on methane, often associated with living organisms. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, has a thick, hazy atmosphere rich in methane. Could Titan's methane be a sign of alien microbes thriving in conditions we once thought impossible? John pondered. John delved into astrobiology, exploring technosignatures, evidence of technology detectable from vast distances. These could be atmospheric pollution or waste heat from massive energy sources. Perhaps the universe is filled with the murmurs of life, and we're just beginning to tune in, John mused. John encountered the theory of panspermia, proposing that life can hitch rides through the cosmos. Tardigrades, microscopic creatures, survive the vacuum of space, lending credence to this idea. Perhaps we are all descendants of cosmic voyagers, John mused. As John's journey drew to a close, he found himself back in his observatory, gazing at the night sky. He realized the search for life beyond Earth was about expanding our understanding of life itself. The search is a testament to the enduring human spirit, our insatiable curiosity, and our deep-seated desire to connect with something larger than ourselves. When John returned to his observatory, he was filled with excitement. He shared his discoveries, igniting a sense of wonder and appreciation for life. Our journey is not over, there is still so much to explore, and with that, he looked up at the stars, ready to continue his exploration of the cosmos.